This is 14th video in a series of 52 videos on the journey of Mahadayi river from the source at Bautacho Dongor to its confluence with Arabian Sea past Cabo Raj Bhavan and near Port Agbada Bay. So we had reached in the previous one in place called King and Queen Cliffs. Then after the current moves forward from the narrow passage of King and Queen Cliffs, we come to a place called Mukh, means basically it is a formation between Bhimgad on the south and on the north side another small hillock is there. And between these two, that Bhimgad and the hillock, the Mahadayi river comes out. It emerges from this, and then you really see that the river takes its real wider and slower shape. Slower in the means basically the current slows down at this point and then it meanders and it comes out from this gorge and really it appears to be a really beautiful and mighty river from this point onwards. So we have reached up to Bhimgad. Here the entire bed is full of large rocks and it is a magnificent view that one gets. And at this point, once Mahadayi river emerges from these gorges, there is a tributary called Gadacho Panshiro. These are Panshiros are smaller tributaries. They are bigger streams, but they are not really we can call them as primary or secondary streams, but they are quite large streams and we can call them as smaller tributaries, not larger tributaries. So Panshiro means basically a larger stream which meets Mahadayi here near Bhimgad, and it originates from the forest between Bhimgad and Mendil village, because there is a village which we can easily trace on the satellite Google satellite map. I found that there is a village called Mendil. So between Bhimgad and Mendil, that we get Gadacho Panshiro tributary, and then they uh, they converge into Mahadayi. And there is a small waterfall here. And earlier near the King and Queen, this location also there is a small waterfall. So we have a continuously smaller waterfalls all along this channel. And below each waterfall you get, because of erosion, a pool, and this pool below the waterfall here where Gadacho Panshiro tributary meets the major channel of Mahadayi river, that particular pool is known as Vajrachi Kond. That Kond is the word from Sanskrit Kund or pool. So this rocky pool is known as Vajrachi Kond. From this you can easily see Bhimgad, and then on the southern southwestern side you see Akri Kokri hillocks. Mostly these are the limestone hillocks known as Akri Kokri. It's a very interesting landscape feature which you see on Google Earth, Akri Kokri. And very little work has been done about investigation of these features, landscape features in this Mahadayi River basin. In fact, this area is of the landscape ecological aspects of the entire basin is still area which is open for deep investigation, like this Akri Kokri rocky formations. I mean, they are quite distinct types of series of hills which one can see from this point near the Krishnapur village. And below this location, we have what local people call as Darutachi Kond, Jamlichi Dhat, and Amyachi Kond. Means there are rock pools here which are known as Darutachi Kond, Jamlichi Dhat, and Amyachi Kond. So we have reached now a location where near the Bhimgad. From there we will move to Pistyachi Kond near Krishnapur, and in the 15th next video I will give more information on that.